Simon asks on Mastodon if, in effect, a dash cam is a good idea. I don't have one, although I did used to, and of course this filming rig I'm using now acts as a slightly over-specified one. I used to have one, but I had one for creative reasons. I like the idea of making little films from my bike, not as a safety thing, because that's really what safety cameras, dash cams are for, isn't it? It's for recording when things go wrong, so that you can bring a case or just talk to your insurers. Let's get past these ladies here. And for me, the routes like this one that I cycle on, even when I'm in town here in Dundee, I don't feel unsafe. I don't think I'm invincible, but I don't feel unsafe. Hello, doggy. And so because I don't feel unsafe when I'm cycling around here, I don't feel compelled to get a dash cam mounted on my bike. I think if I was cycling regularly in a city like London, which has good infrastructure but also just mad drivers, I would be more inclined to. And if I was going to, my first port of call would be GoPro, just because of the quality. But the first camera I bought was a GoPro knockoff, a No Pro. That's not a brand, that's a funny joke. For your mileage may vary on that, but it's a sort of knockoff action camera. And I will say in good light, the pictures are fine. Stabilisation's a bit rubbish, and low light performance is more rubbish still, but it was tens of pounds to buy one. And so from that point of view, it's fine. And things like that mount onto the same mounting systems that GoPros do, and so there's loads of mounting options for you. But you can always do what I'm doing. Stick your phone on a tripod or something attached to your bike and film that way. If you just want to try it, see if it works for you, you can.